YouTube, it's me again. What am I doing today? Right now in this video, I'm doing nothing except saying Happy New Year to everybody out there. Thanks for watching my channel. It's been a year and 3 months since I started this channel. And to the 305th, to the 300th, 301st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm so happy to have actually subscribers. Happy you like my channel, and thank you, Danny, for the cool shout out to my channel. Yeah, I talk bullocks, whatever the hell that means. Probably, I think bullocks is a word for shit. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for the shout out. It was awesome. I'll do another video on how to say my channel name again, just for you, Danny, because you totally butchered that one. So it was expected. And yeah, thanks for watching my channel. I've been watching the little number skyrocket. People have been watching it. Still about 80% of you are still not joining my channel, but can't know about that. But like I said, the hell with the bell. Subscribe. Come check it out once in a while. You don't have to be on every day. And most of all, again, yay! 300 people in a little over a year. That's not bad. And it'll always be free. I'm not charging anybody anything. I'm doing this for fun. So that's that. Awesome.